Good day, everyone. I am Angelica Manalo, and today I will going to discuss to you the lesson 8, which entitled Higher Thinking Skills Through IT-Based Projects. These projects represent constructivist projects containing the key elements of a constructivist approach to instruction, namely, first, the teacher creating the learning environment, second, the teacher giving students the tools and facilities, and the third, the teacher facilitating learning. Now, let us see the 4 IT-based projects conducive to develop higher thinking skills and creativity among learners. First, resource-based projects. In these projects, the teacher steps out of the traditional role of being a content expert and information provider, instead lets the students find their own information and facts. The central principle is to make the students go beyond the textbook and curriculum materials. It also encourages the students to go to the library, particularly to the modern library called the internet. The inquiry-based or discovery approach is given also in these projects. Now you can see the table that shows the difference between the traditional learning model and the resource-based learning model. And now let's move on to the second one, the simple creations. Students can also be assigned to create their software materials to supplement the need for relevant and effective materials. Creativity as an outcome should not be equated with ingenuity or high intelligence. Creativity combines the 3 kinds of skills or abilities. First, analyzing. It is distinguishing similarities and differences, seeing the project as a problem to be solved. Second, synthesizing, making a spontaneous connection among ideas, thus generating interesting or new ideas. And the last, promoting. It is selling of new ideas to allow the public to test the ideas themselves. To develop creativity, the 5 key tasks are recommended. First, define the task. Second, brainstorm. The third, judge the ideas. Fourth, act. Fifth, adopt flexibility. And the third one is the guided hypermedia projects. The production of self-made multimedia projects can be approached in 2 different ways. First, as an instructive tool, such as in the production by students of a PowerPoint presentation selected topic. Second, as a communication tool, such as when students do a multimedia presentation with text, graphs, photos, audio narration, interviews, and video clips to stimulate a television news show. And the last kinds of IT-based projects is web-based projects. Students can be made to create and post web pages on a given topic. Creativity projects as a tools in the teaching learning process can be achieved with the assistance of the advisors adept in the technical use of internet resource. And that's all about my topic. I hope you enjoy and thank you for listening. God bless.